Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see Autoscale AI service limits in Azure. And each Azure AI service has a pre-configured static call rate, which is transactions per second now, which will limit the number of concurrent calls that customers can make to that backend service in a given time frame. The Autoscale feature will automatically increase or decrease a customer's resource rate limit based on near real-time resource usage metrics and backend service capacity. I'll just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. One thing to note here is that this feature is disabled by default for every new resource, and whatever new resource that you are creating, it can be an Azure AI Vision, it can be a language, anomaly detector, content moderator, custom vision, immersive reader, Lewis, personalization, Q&A maker, or document intelligence, like whatever resource that you have. Like I don't have a custom vision resource, so I'll create one here. And this feature is always available in the paid subscription tier of all these services. Create new. I'll select this one. GCV for custom vision. I'll go for free now. For prediction pricing tier is free. Let me go only for training, right? Next. I'll just hit on review create. I'll hit create. It's initializing the deployment. I'll pause the video and come back. Deployment is completed. I'm going to go to resource. Alright, this is created. And if you remember, I created the custom vision model as training, but that option was not available. Okay, make sure that when you create the resource, that it should not be a free tier resource. Make sure that you select the pricing tier not as free. It should be standard or whatever is available other than free. Now here you see Autoscale is by default disabled. You click on it and you can enable this option and you click on save. Alright, that is where you will be able to allow to autoscale the AI service limit from the resources that are mentioned in the Microsoft documentation as of now, because autoscale feature is available in the paid subscription tier of few services, not all our Azure AI services. And that only when you have a pay-as-you-go subscription. It's not available in a free tier subscription, and it is not available in a free tier pricing of any of the Azure AI resource. Okay, I believe this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.